Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below how your day is going. So, if you read from my title, I got the Macys, the July 2019 Macys Beauty Box. So, this is $15 a month, but you do pay for taxes. I think it's like close to $16 a month. It just came in. I haven't even like cut the tape open or anything. So I have no idea what is in this puppy. And I always have a problem opening this box up. That's why I always open things before I start taping. All right, so let's get right into this box. All right, so when you open it, this is what I see. All right, so every month you get a little card and then it tells you what everything is. Like if it was full size, you always get a coupon. Sometimes you get $5 off. I think last month we got $10 off. So if you look at it like this is $15, you take $5 off. And so you really only pay 10. And I have to say, like, these are just gorgeous. I really like the bags. Now last month they didn't have a bag, but they had like a eye brush or like a makeup brush belt holder, which was beautiful. But I kind of missed the bag. Like, I like these better than the Ipsies, and it's really pretty. So it's like a hot pink and it has like a neon green right here, and then you have a little star. But this material here is like if you take it to the beach or something, it will dry very quickly. Like you could put like your wet bathing suit, washcloth, anything in there, makeup, whatever. All right, so that's what it looks like. So it always comes very pretty packaged up. It really does. So let's open her up and see what is in here for this month. Oh, that's funny. I'm seeing something that we got in here that we got in our Allure box. All right, so let me open this up. All right, so the first thing we got is this right here, Hangover. This is a face primer. We got this in our Allure box, so I will put this in a giveaway. And let's see, how much was that puppy again? So full size would be nope. Let's see. Full size would be $34. All right, so then we got this Clarins. What is this? UV plus sunscreen. So we have a little sunscreen. Clarins is a really good brand and they're quite expensive. So full size would be $43. It says sun's out, skin's out. Better get the SPF out. This is SPF 50. Lucky for you. This one blocks all kinds of skin damage and elements to protect the skin. And listen, I don't know if you guys are new or you don't know. Back in 2015, I was diagnosed with stage 2 melanoma skin cancer on my back. Now, it was the early stages of stage 2, so I just had to get surgery. I didn't have to get any more treatments, thank God. But every year, every 6 months actually, I have to go get my lungs x-rayed and I have to get blood work, my red and white blood cells, just to make sure. And I always have to get like a skin test. Now, since 2015, they have found a few other things like basil and different things, and it all stems for going to tanning beds, going always to the beach, and not really wearing sunblock. I used to use baby oil. You know, that's what you did back in the 90s and stuff, right? So even it's been so many years, it's coming out now, you know? So I am so glad that a lot of these boxes do have sunscreen. I cannot tell you enough. And because of that also, I have a lot of sun damage on my face and stuff, sunspots, like brown spots. You can't see it now because I can cover it up, but all from the sun. So guys, if I can't tell you anything, if you don't want to listen to me about anything else, please wear sunblock. All right, and so you get this little tube, but this is enough to see if you're going to like it. You know, it really is enough. So that is pretty good, and it's 50, so that's good. All right, so then we have this Renewed Hope in a Jar from Philosophy. What is this? What'd you be? I don't know. Let me read up on it. Okay, so this is Renewed Hope Peeling Mousse. It says this powerful but gentle gem from Philosophy lets you actually see your dry, flaky skin roll away to show your natural glow. Retail value would be $35. So this is an exfoliator. Let's see how big this puppy is. Oh my God, would you look how tiny that is? I mean, for your face, you don't really need anything too big. Every time I say big now, I crack myself up. But I mean, God, that's small, you know? All right, the next thing we have is these Grandy, okay, this is Hydrating Lip Plumper. This is a clear gloss. And I've tried these before. I really do like them. I'm glad it's in a clear. And let's see, full size would be $27. All right, so then we have this Tarte mascara, which I really like Tarte's mascara. And let's see, full size would be $23, so I think this is like $12. And then we have this Moschino Toy 2 perfume. And look what it would look like. That's what it looks like if it was full size. That's really, really cute. I just gave away the, it looked like a laptop computer eyeshadow palette. And let's see, how much is this puppy? So, full size, 1.7 ounce would be $76. All right, let's see what this smells like. Oh, no. Oh, I don't like that. It's too, like, strong and, like, you know, if you go to like Macys or anything else like that when they're spraying a whole bunch of perfumes and you smell like that one scent, like it's whoa too much, that's what this is. Holy crap. And it didn't help that I sprayed like 3 or 4 sprays. I don't know why I did that. Oh my God, I can, whoo. All right, so let's recap everything that is in the Macys beauty box. So we have this Moschino Toy 2 sample. Then we have this Clarins, what do you call that? What, how can I just forget? Holy crap. Sunscreen. Then we have this. Let's see how big this is. The Grandy Lips. So, right there. That's a decent size. It's filled up to the top. Then we have this Hangover Face Primer, which I will put that in a future giveaway. We have this exfoliant from Hope. This tiny, tiny one. And then we have this Tarte mascara. I think it's pretty good. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of this? Did you like it this month? And I love the bag. I think it's worth it. Plus you get a $5 off coupon. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of this box? Do you get it? If you did, what did you think of it? Do you think it's worth it? Let me know all the tea down below. And that's everything, guys. Please like this video because it does help me out. If you didn't like it or don't like the box, dislike it. Make sure you rate the video because it really does help me out. Make sure you have that post notification bell on so that way you're notified any future videos or giveaways or anything else like that, or live streams. And make sure you subscribe and join our family. I love you guys, and as always, I put videos right here if you want to watch more of me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.